In this video, I'm sharing my salted caramel drip recipe with instructions on how to use it to create a luscious slice of heaven. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome back. If it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence, subscribe and ring the bell. In a saucepan, mix together 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 stick or 2 ounces of salted or unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt if you're using unsalted butter. Set your burner on low to medium and stir. Bring it to a low boil and cook for 8 minutes. You may need to double up on the rack like I did here to keep the boil low. Now put it into a bowl and refrigerate. In the meantime, prepare your cake by smoothing the buttercream with a knife, spatula, or a scraping tool. I'm working with a very cold cake here, so the buttercream is hard. That makes it a lot easier to get a nice smooth surface. If you want a sheer look, as I am going for, here's what the caramel should look like. You can refrigerate it longer to make it thicker if you want. Your offset spatula needs to be really clean, so wipe that down, and then pour about 1/2 cup or so of the caramel for a 6-inch cake, and spread it out to the edges to allow a natural drip. Now place the cake in the fridge to firm up and then decorate it to your desire. This cake is for a bride and groom tasting. This is my most popular wedding cake at this time, and you can find this recipe in my book on Amazon. The link is below. Oh, and by the way, the bride just called to say yes. So I'll be sharing this wedding cake and delivery in early October. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next Wedding Cakes For You cake tutorial.